Hello teacher, my name is Lawan Mesong. The p sound in initial position: pin, pen, pan, past, pot, put, put, peach, par, park, pool, pour, pour, purr, pain, pie, poise, pound, pole, peer, pear, peel. Sound p in final position: ship, step, cap, top, pup, sheep, sharp, soup, cape, pipe, soap. After the S consonant, the p sound is also unaspirated, such as spy, spar, spoon, speak, spare, spear, spur, sport, spot, spoil, spam, and spend. The sound b in initial position: bind, bed, bush, band, bat, butts, butt, beach, boo, bore, balm, barn, burbs, bane, bear, bowl, beer, buy, boil, bowed. The b sound in final position: lip, web, cap, pub, job, beep, tube, bob, curb, globe, bribe. The sound b in MB spelling at the end of the syllable is usually silent: bomb, come, climb, clumb, lamb, limb, thumb, thumb, plum, womb. The sound b in BT spelling at the end of the syllable is usually silent: dead and doubt,